How to transfer your DLS account to another phone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can transfer your Dream League Soccer account to another phone. So let's get started. First, open up your Dream League Soccer. After you open up your Dream League Soccer, make sure that you are logged into your account. After you do that, on the top left hand side, you should see a settings gear icon. Simply tap on it. And after you tap on it, you'll get redirected to your settings. Now, after your settings are visible, you will see 5 different options on the bottom, such as game, display, audio, control, and advanced. Now head over to advanced. And after you're inside advanced, you will see again 3 different sections. First is the advanced on the top. On the left hand bottom, you will see profile. On the right hand bottom, you will see information. Now under profile, what you'll need to do is simply tap on manage device. And here you will need to tap on generate code to generate a code. After your code is generated, you will simply need to copy that code and make sure that you keep it safe. After you've done that, head over to your Dream League Soccer on another phone. And after you're on another phone, you will need to head over to this very place. So after you're on your settings and in advanced, you will need to again head over to the profile section, and under profile section you will see link profile option right besides manage devices. Tap on link profile, and here you will need to paste the code that you generated later on. Now simply type in the code that you generated previously and then tap on link profile, and after you tap that, that is how you basically transfer your Dream League Soccer account to another phone. And that is how you do it, guys, and that is all for the video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye, take care.